There. Today I'm changing the wheel hub and wheel bearing assembly on a 2013 Ford Taurus Limited. It's my wife's car. Apparently about 140,000 miles are all these hubs are good for. I've already changed the driver's side a month and a half ago, and now the passenger side has gone bad. It's really straightforward. I've already removed the wheel and the brake rotor and caliper. As you can see, I've just got the caliper zip tied to the strut spring there, and now I've removed the first bolt of the backing plate, brake backing plate. So we want to get that out of the way because we've got to access some bolts on the back side of this. There's 4 bolts holding this hub in, which is a good thing. It means it's not pressed in, which can be a problem. Okay, the dust cover backing plate is off. Now we'll move on to this bolt here, this nut holding the CV axle in. It's a 32 millimeter. So I'll have to run that off with the impact. No, I don't have a 32 millimeter impact socket, but hey, this will do the job. Okay, now to actually remove the hub, we've got 4 bolts. Let's see if we can get a video of it here. One there, one not there, and 2 on the back side in the same place. So I've got these little swivel impact sockets I got from Harbor Freight that really work a treat on this job. It's made it much easier. So I've gotten the 4 bolts out of the back, and since this thing's been in here a while, you have to pry a little bit on it around to get it started coming out. As you can see, there we go. Let's see if it'll pull on out. And there it is. One worn out hub and wheel bearing on a Ford Taurus. Anyway, I'll put another one back in. It's straightforward. Bolt it back in with the 4 bolts, put the dust cover back on, the rotor, wheel, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.